We don't know that much about Dawn other than she's a rescue. Do you feel that, how I'm working on you a little bit? So let me just wiggle that. You lean forward and I'll pull back. Now look, she's yawning. Yeah, you had a good release, right? Here we are at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, and we're in New Jersey, right?
Yep.
So we're about 2 hours from New York. I just drove up this morning. We're seeing a lot of animals. How many animals do you think you have? About 250?
Yeah, around
250. And it's such a beautiful farm. Now, they also have an Airbnb here, so you can come book a night or a weekend. Check out their website, and if you ever care to help them with donations, that's awesome. Or if you want to come visit and see the animals yourself, and the Airbnb is just beautiful. I mean, this is picturesque here. Really unbelievable. It's only 2 hours from New York City. We have Dawn here today. Dawn is a donkey and lives here at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, where I'm here today in New Jersey. We don't know that much about Dawn other than she's a rescue and had a bad life, and now she has a good life. How about that? And she's about 20 years old, and I'm just going to give you a little checkup. Can I work with you today? We're thinking about it. All right, just blink if you want an adjustment. All right, let's try something, okay? I gotta watch that front leg because she'll kick out at me. So let me check your pole and then check down your neck. So here's a big spot here. I don't know if you can feel that, Dawn. I'm talking to Dawn. But this is a big muscle knot. So we're gonna start real slow because she's a little suspicious of like, who's this guy? Unless I'm wrong, she's never had a chiropractor work on her before. And maybe not any type of body work, right? So my thumb is on a muscle knot. It's right here. There's a trigger point or a muscle knot. I'm just gonna hold that for a second and give her a chance to feel that. And I'm watching her eyes, her breath, her ears, watching the ears to see if she starts stressing out and gets upset. And I'm putting enough pressure. It's about the same type of pressure that if I was put my finger on a grape on the kitchen counter and I wanted to push that grape as hard as I could without it bursting or breaking, that's as much pressure. So it's not really a lot of pressure because you'd eventually crack the skin on the grape, and we don't want to do that. So I'm just rhythmically, and I'm also like rocking her a little bit. Do you feel that, how I'm working on you a little bit? Let's see your eyes. You're really sweetie, right? Look at your sweet eyes. You got this great coat. And I'm gonna rub your head a little bit. And then, how about, you like being touched? Not really. So go back to that point. I might adjust this for you, okay? So to wait, we do that, Dawn, is I'm gonna laterally flex. I contact that point. I'm probably gonna do the back of my knuckle to get better leverage. And I'm gonna bring you this way just a little bit. Laterally flex. Let's see how you react to this. Laterally flex a little more, a little more. There we go. All right. Now here's, so let's give her a second. All right. Well, that feels a little better. Do you notice the difference, Dawn? All right, let's come down the back. You got a few things in your neck though, Dawn, before I leave the neck. You also have something right up here. It's C2. So let me just wiggle that. Let me give it a little motion. I'm staying away because she's a front kicker. The word is that she kicks the vet when the vet comes by and those front legs come up. So I really don't feel like being kicked today, or any day for that matter. There's never a good day to be kicked, right, Dawn? And she's gonna lull you into thinking she's relaxed, and then she's going to just lift up that leg. Right? So, but I'm wiggling this C2. Here, look, you have a little piece of mud here. Let me get that off for you. And we do a little bit of a, there we go. There, okay. I'm going to come down, here's the withers. If she had a saddle on, it would go. As I come down the back, it's bouncing nicely through here, but then right here, right there, it locks up. Dawn, can you tell that it gets tight there? So I'm going to adjust into here. Ooh, that was a good one. Did you feel that? Good. All right, let me feel your back end. All right, so let's do a little butt tuck. I don't want to be kicked that way either. Let's see if I can get this reflex going on you. All right. Let's watch that back leg, watch the front leg. Nothing. I didn't do anything on that one. That was total non-adjustment, Dawn. All right. Without my box to climb on, and you're on a hill too. Let's. So here's the 6th lumbar, and that one's a little posterior, so I'm going to adjust that one, okay? Big breath in, Dawn. Okay, that one I got. Look, she's licking and chewing, so this is good. So look at her face. Well, she was, but she stopped. But when a horse licks and chews, that's usually a good sign of stress relief. It's when their parasympathetic nervous system is releasing and relaxing. So when I first did it, she went, just really quick, she went, but then she stopped. All right, listen, let me check a few things that we did. Oh, I didn't adjust your atlas. All right, do I dare? You gonna kick me? So here's the pole up here. Here's the atlas. And watch that front leg. You're gonna bring your head up, and I'm gonna adjust straight down, okay? Watch that leg. Oh, there. That was a crack. Let's see what her face does. What are you thinking about anyway? All right. That might be it for you, right? Nice. Nice. All right. All right, so I got the pole. Feels like it's looser. There you go. Good. There, that's better. Look at that. And that spot up here at C2 is rolling nicely. And your sacrum is, and I think I got it. Let me just do a little tail stretch, if you let me. You lean forward and I'll pull back. There, it popped. All right, that's it. So it just went. Now look, she's yawning. That's it, and she's licking. That's exactly what we wanted to see. Let her do that a little longer, and we'll watch her get sleepy. Yeah, you had a good release, right? That's a good adjustment. Yeah. Wow. I'm getting tired just watching. They say yawning's contagious. All right. That's about the most we can do. Thanks for watching. But when a horse licks and chews, that's usually a good sign of stress relief. It's when their parasympathetic nervous system is releasing and relaxing. So when I first did it, she went just really quick, she went, but then she stopped.